Hello. Welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be recommending 5 stocks for 26 March 2021 for day trading purpose. You will see me again on Sunday with a new list of stocks for Monday. I bring videos on daily basis so that you get to stay ahead of the market. So please do subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Okay. And I have a small request. If you're busy right now, if you're doing some important work, then please watch this video later. Okay, because see, the main purpose of this channel is to educate you, so that instead of giving just signals where to buy and where to sell, I'm trying to educate you so that you get to know why and where you should execute your trades, because you should also grow as a trader, is not it? Okay, so if you're busy right now, you can watch this video later, and when you'll be free later, just watch the videos and just try to understand the logic behind each and every trade. Okay, so let's jump to the chart. So you can see that the first stock is already written here, AMGN. Okay, AMGN, and you can see that the last traded price of the stock is 246.25. Okay, 246.25, and there is a support on the daily chart at 244.8 level. Okay, and we can see that yesterday the stock has tested the daily support and it reversed from there, so which is a clear indication that yes, this is a valid support. And if you look at the day before yesterday's candle, you can see that day before yesterday also it has tested the support, and it just closed above the support, and before that also it did the same thing. So this is a clear indication that yes, 284 point sorry 244, sorry 244 is the level. uh, this level, okay, where is yes, 244.8. Okay, 244.8 is a valid support for the market. Therefore, in case you get the stock at 244.8 level, then just observe the price. If you see that price is bouncing from 244.8 level, it's a buy. And on the other hand, if the price does not come down and it goes up, let's consider that today market opens a gap up or it's a bullish market. Okay, then we can go for buy above 247.7. Okay, so these are the two prices for MGen. If the stocks starts coming down, then try to catch the stock at 244.8 level, because there is a support on the daily chart, very much valid support. On the other hand, if the stock goes up, then you can catch the stock at 247.7 level. Okay. So the second stock for the day is analog devices, ADI. Okay, for ADI, you can see that it has formed a hammer kind of a pattern with good price rejection from below. Okay, good price rejection from below, and the stock has successfully closed above the daily resistance, which is a very good sign. And the last traded price of the stock is 149.90. Therefore, what should we do then? Okay, we will be looking for buying opportunity only, as it has formed a hammer pattern. Okay, and the price is above the yesterday's high, 151. So if you see that the stock is trading above 151 level, and if you see that the stock is doing great, it is trading comfortably above 151 level, go for a buy for ADI. Okay, so this is the second stock. Let's switch to the third stock of the day, and it's Marriott International. For Marriott International, you can see that it has formed a big green candle, and the best part is it took support at the daily support level. Okay, this is the level 141.4 level. Okay, it took support, okay, at 141.4 level, and it just went up, ultimately closed at 156.57 level. Therefore, buy above 146.6. So if you get the stock above 146.6 level, it's a good buy. The stock may face some resistance at 150 level. Okay, sorry, 149.7 level. Okay, 149.7, because we can see that there is a resistance at 149.7 level. So if you see that after buying at 146, 147 level, if you see that the stock is struggling at 149.7 level, just come out of the trade. So let's switch to the fourth stock. Yes, it's Maxim. Let me write the name here. MXIM, Maxim Integrated Products. The stock closed at 88.42 level, and you can see that it has formed a hammer pattern yesterday with great price rejection from above. The stock tried its best, okay, to close above the daily resistance level, but it failed. Okay, but we cannot ignore the fact that yesterday bulls played it very hard. They tried their best. Okay, they gave a lot of fight to bring push the price upward, and ultimately they also succeeded. Therefore, we'll be looking for buying opportunity above 88.9, 80, sorry, 88.7 level. Okay, if you see that the stock is trading above us, sorry, this level, not 88.7, extremely sorry. Okay, the level is 89.25. If you see that the stock is trading above 89.2 level, it's a buy. And if there is a gap up open and stock opens above 89.25 level, then just let the stock trade for 15-30 minutes. If the stock is trading comfortably for 15-30 minutes, then it is a clear indication that the resistance has become this support now. Okay, in that case, you can go for a buy once the resistance become the support. And if during the market session you get the stock at 89.25 level, then just wait for 15-20 minutes, let the stock feel comfortable, let the resistance become the support, then only go for buy above 89.25 level. So let's switch to the last stock. It's PayPal. For PayPal, you can see that it has also formed a hammer pattern yesterday. Okay, with good price rejection from above. The last traded price is 234.24. So looking at the price rejection from above, we will be looking for buying opportunity on the stock above 234.8 level, 234.8 level, and the target will be, okay, the target will be this resistance at 244.2, 240.2 level. Okay, this is the target. So in case you get the stock above 234.8 level, and if you see that the buying pressure is there, go for a buy. Target will be 240 or 240.2. So these are the stocks, 5 stocks that you can trade on 26 March 2021. Hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. See you on Sunday again with a new list of stocks for Monday. Bye bye.